Hello and welcome to part 4 of the fileplan video setup guide. The fileplan importer is intended to make the job of migrating your existing documents into fileplan as easy as possible. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple example of bringing an existing Windows Explorer folder and its contents into a fileplan library. To use the importer, you will need to have the fileplan Windows client installed. If you haven't done this already, visit the FAQs in the Help Center to find out how. Before getting started, I've made sure the destination library and folder already exist in fileplan. Be aware that all documents from the source folder will be imported, so now might be a good time to tidy up any duplicates and old drafts that aren't really needed anymore. Let's launch the fileplan importer from the Windows Start menu and begin by selecting the destination library that I want to import files into. There are two different types of import available. For this basic example, I'm going to stick with importing folders and documents into a selected fileplan folder. Next, I can select the target folder in fileplan and the source where the documents currently reside. This can be from the local PC or any accessible network location. If the source includes subfolders, we can elect whether to import this structure and all its contents, or limit the process to the content of the selected folder only. I'm going to choose to ignore any documents that may already exist in fileplan, but we can also choose to replace the file or import a second copy. Finally, we can confirm all the settings before proceeding. Selected importer settings can be saved in a configuration file and reused again for future imports. This might be useful for business processes that rely on the regular receipt of files from external parties, for example. Fileplan will prompt to save the configuration before continuing, but I'm not going to do that for this particular example. Click Start and fileplan will get to work importing the documents. On completion, we can see a summary of how many files were imported, ignored, replaced or failed, as well as the detailed result for each individual file. Click the View Results button to download this report to Excel if required. In this example, we've imported documents into a structure that already exists in fileplan. For more complex content migration, the fileplan importer can also be used to populate list items, create folders, and import documents based on existing Windows Explorer folders. You can now import existing files and folders into fileplan quickly using fileplan importer. Please visit the Help Center to get the rundown on more advanced import functions available. In the next and final video of the Getting Started guide, we'll look at setting access control over your fileplan content.